boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. We have Rosé here. It's not the first time on Garden Guitar. She did a collab with Bruno Mars pretty recently, I believe, and now she is back on her own, also with a new album, okay? So this album is called Rosé. So very talented artist here. I believe she comes from, New Zealand / South Korea. Anyway, the album Rosé is great, so we're gonna cover a couple songs of the album and we're gonna go out strong with this song called Toxic till the end. Alright, so this one fits guitar very well. It's a 4-chord song. Let's go into it. And we're gonna start without any capo here. No need for it. We have 4 very common chords. It's the C, D, G, and E minor. So let's go right into it, starting with the chords and the C. So C goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is the D, and that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have G next, that will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And then finally we have the E minor. And that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so we have this main pattern that goes pretty much throughout the song here. 95% of the song makes up for C, D, G, and E minor. Okay, so how are we gonna handle it? We have a strumming pattern. You can hear that clearly about 2 minutes into the song. So we're gonna use that one, okay? So it's a strumming pattern that covers 2 chords. So it has 2 parts. So we're gonna look at the first transition here between C part 1 and then D part 2 of the strumming. So if we go to the first chord C, together C and D will sound like this. Okay, so for C part 1 it will play down, 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 up. Okay, so down, 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 up. And then you change chord to the next one, in this case the D, and play part 2, and that will be up, down, 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 up. So up, down, 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 up. And that's one strumming round. Then you apply the same principles for the next 2 chords, which will be G, part 1, in the same way as you play the C, the down, 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 up. And then you have the E minor part 2, in the same way as you play the D, up, down, 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 up. So the next 2 chords will be G and E minor, like this. And that is one chord progression round. C part 1, D part 2, G part 1, E minor part 2, like this. Okay, I mentioned this is the main pattern throughout this song, but then at 2 points in the song, at 23 seconds into it, and also at 1 minute and 14 seconds, you have this build up, okay? So that means we're gonna play with just downs, okay? So it starts at 23 seconds in, you can listen for it, and you're gonna play C, 4 downs, and then D, 12 downs. And these C4 and D12 replaces one chord progression round of the C, D, G, and E minor. And like I said, that's a build up. You're gonna play like this: C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then D, 1, 2, 3, 4 for 3 times. Okay, so D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you do that for 1 round, so C4 and D12, you go back and play the main pattern, which will be with the strumming C, D, G, and E minor. So together it will be like this, with the C4, D4, 12, and then into one main round. Sounds like this. just continue. Till the next time at 1 minute and 14 seconds, you do this again, and that's the only times you're gonna handle that part, and then just go with the main pattern, and that's it, guys. Okay, so Rosé's Toxic till the end. If you're a fan of her or Gordon Guitar, make sure you subscribe to this channel and follow on the journey here. Thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, play tuned.